Hi, my name is Amanda Parrish, and I chose to make a website about plumpox virus, also known as Sharka. Plumpox is the most devastating viral disease of stone fruit, and there is no cure. Just preventative measures can be taken. Here is my website. It's amandacparrish.wix.com/plumpoxvirus. And here's the home page. As you can see up here, we have different links to tell you a little bit more about the virus and how it's spread, management, that kind of thing. So here's the About page. It just kind of tells you a little bit more in depth about PPV, what genus and family it's from, and the strains. There are actually 6 strains of the virus. Also, this tab tells us a little bit about the history, where it was first discovered in the United States, and then a few fun facts. There are over 140 varieties of plum sold in the U.S., so it's just a side fact. The symptoms. Some plants do not exhibit any symptoms, so these are just typical. The only way to test for sure is to do diagnostic testing, because some trees do not show symptoms at all, or even for the first few years following the initial infection. So it's kind of difficult to just look at them and tell if you can't actually, unless they have these symptoms. It's hard to tell if they have the virus. So the symptoms are a little bit different in peaches and apricots and plums. And I have some pictures right here. Typical symptoms of PPV and peach, the chlorotic rings, and these fruits are deformed. These are some peach leaves, PPV symptoms, the discoloration and yellowing, and also on this picture on the right you can see the vein clearing, which is a typical symptom of PPV in peach. This is PPV in apricot. If you notice these pale rings in the stones, this is the same fruit. This is the outside of it and the inside. Distribution, we have a little paragraph here about how it's spread short distance, which is mostly through aphids, which is an insect. So they're the main vector for spread of the virus. We also have long distance spread. Most long distance spread is by humans. Movement of infected nursery stock, seedlings, rootstocks, or budding material. And aphids can transmit the disease long distance, but it's just less likely for that to happen over long distances. Next, we'll talk about some control practices, management. Once PPV is established, it's really hard to eradicate the pathogen, so preventative measures are what's most important in keeping this out of your crops. Use of only certified nursing materials, use of resistant cultivars when available, eradication of infected trees. An infected tree will serve as a virus source for all surrounding susceptible species, so it has to be destroyed. Control of aphids. Insecticides help with the aphid population, but it can't completely minimize the population, so that can't, like I said, eliminate all of them. And this last tab is my references tab, where I got all my information. Back to the home page, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I enjoyed making this website. Thank you.